First, start with the fruit combination. Lightly apply the base color for the watermelon using gouache, using a gradient technique from the outer skin to the flesh, ensuring the red gradually blends into the white melon flesh. Use a small amount of water to make the colors softer for the shadow areas of the watermelon. Use deep green and blue to create a sense of dimension for the grapes. Use light purple or green to paint each grape, paying attention to their glossy appearance. Gently deepen the shadow areas to highlight the layers. For the apple, apply a gradient from the bright yellow at the top to the red at the bottom, making sure the colors transition naturally. Next, for the white ceramic cup, maintain subtle light and shadow variations. The highlight areas on the cup should be softly wiped to create a bright white effect, while using light, gray, and blue for the shadow areas to enhance the cup's three-dimensionality. The black stainless steel kettle should be painted with a rich black gouache, emphasizing the reflections of light. The colors reflected from the fruits should be soft and realistic, and the surface of the kettle should have delicate transitions, especially in the reflection areas, ensuring the color transitions smoothly. Finally, through soft transitions and careful layering, each object's texture is finely presented, making the entire composition look both realistic and vivid.